Hey, this is Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. The question is this: how do I keep a copy of my forwarded emails in my inbox? And I'm going to show you how to do that with two different tactics. Well, first of all, if I forward a message for your eyes only, let's not use a secure one. If I forward a message to someone, just hit the three dots and hit forward. And I'm going to forward that to T.L. Burris at Burris Consulting and hit send. I go back to my inbox. That test message is still there. And you can see where I forwarded it. It's in my thread. I'm using threading, so it's in my thread. And so right there's the message, and that's where I forwarded. So it stayed in my inbox. Now, it could be that what this person's asking is about forwarding with rules. And so let me show you what that's all about. Let's say every time I get a message from Google for Google Alerts, I want to forward that to someone. Every time I get a message from, let's use this alert, Samsung television alerts, Google Alerts for Samsung. So here's what I need to do. It can start in lots of different ways. I can start right here and hit the three dots, and I can filter messages like these. And when I filter messages like these, I can say, let's get rid of the list, and let's say that it has Samsung TV in it. It has the word Samsung TV. And I put Google Alerts. It has all those words. Let's search, see what I get. It's all those messages. So those are the messages I want to automatically forward. So I hit up here and show search options, and I can create a filter. Any message that has Samsung TV or Google Alerts in, I want to create a filter. Now, here's what I'm trying to get you to. Forward that message to who? Now, I've already set a forwarding up for T.L. Burris at Burris Consulting. That's all. I've already done that. So I do that, and you can find that. There's another YouTube video out there. So forward it, but I can say keep the inbox. I can say forward it to T.L. Burris, and I can just say mark it as read. Now, as long as I don't skip it, as long as I don't delete it, if I forward it, and I can mark it as read or not, it'll stay in my inbox. Every time a message comes in, it'll stay in my inbox. The only reason it'll leave my inbox is if I say skip it, which means archive it, or I say delete it, which will put it in the trash. Those are the only two options. One of these, this option or this option, will take it out of the inbox. Forwarding it, even with an auto forward, is not going to remove it from the inbox. And all I can do is create the filter. And again, those messages will stay in the inbox. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is useful for you.